Opening scene. Upbeat music starts, showing a person hiccuping exaggeratedly while sitting at a dinner table. The scene cuts to the narrator with a curious expression. Narrator, enthusiastically. I can't believe what I just discovered. Why do we hiccup? You've been through it. Those unpredictable, kind of adorable, but usually annoying hic noises that take over your body. And you know what? Everything you knew about hiccups is 100% wrong. Let's dive right into it, shall we? What really happens in your body when you hiccup? Cut to an animated visual of a human anatomy diagram focusing on the diaphragm. Narrator. Your diaphragm, that glorious dome-shaped muscle under your lungs, is the star of this show. Think of it as your breath's best buddy. Normally, it helps you inhale and exhale so effortlessly you don't even notice it. But sometimes the diaphragm decides it's time to throw a little party. And that's when things start to get bouncy. Scene transitions to a playful animation of the diaphragm hiccuping like a trampoline, with lungs above it jumping. Narrator. But what triggers the hiccup chaos? Well, let's talk about the vagus nerve. Yep, vagus as in adventurous. It acts like a super-sensitive switchboard that can easily get irritated. Visual of the vagus nerve lighting up, branching through the chest and into the stomach. Narrator. When this nerve gets tickled or annoyed by something, be it gulping too much air, drinking soda too fast, spicy food, or even random emotions like stress, it sends a signal to your diaphragm like, hey, quick, move! And bam! The diaphragm suddenly contracts, pulling in air rapidly. Scene. Show this movement visually. A person breathing in suddenly, exaggerated inhale, and a loud hic sound effect. Narrator. But what about that funny little noise? Why the cute hic sound? That's your vocal cords closing in protest. As the air is yanked in, your vocal cords snap shut. Hence, hic. Cut to a comical montage of people hiccuping in various funny situations like an exam room, wedding speech, and a job interview. Narrator. So hiccups are basically your body pulling off a surprise prank on itself. But get this, the reasons go far deeper than just irritation. Scene shifts to a timeline visual going back millions of years into human evolution. Narrator. Hiccups might actually be a leftover feature from way back in our evolutionary journey. Scientists believe it could have something to do with our ancient aquatic ancestors and their need to transition between breathing underwater and on land. A prehistoric way of managing both gill breathing and lung breathing. Fascinating, huh? Animation shows an evolutionary chain from fish to amphibians with a frog-like creature hiccuping in the middle. Narrator. But here's something even cooler. Did you know that babies hiccup the most? Like a lot. Even fetuses hiccup in the womb. Scene. Adorable animation of a baby hiccuping with thought bubbles imagining digestive issues. Narrator. Some scientists think hiccuping in the womb may actually be practice for breathing. Yep, before you ever took your first whale at birth, you might have been hiccuping away like a champ. Cut to a scientist in a lab, jocularly demonstrating old remedies for hiccups with dramatic gestures. Narrator. All right, now for the part you've been waiting for. Can you stop a hiccup? Spoiler, let's debunk some myths. That whole hold your breath and count to 10 thing? It works because it forces your diaphragm to reset. But guess what? So does gargling water, eating a spoonful of sugar, or being startled out of your skin. Scene shifts between quick clips of people trying each method and reacting exaggeratedly. Narrator. What's fascinating is, there's no universal cure for hiccups because the triggers can vary so much. For some, it's carbonated drinks. For others, it's anxiety. Remember, your body has its quirks. Scene changes to a serious tone with a doctor typing on a laptop. Narrator. But hey, not all hiccups are cute and fun. If you hiccup for more than 48 hours, yes, 2 whole days, then it's called chronic hiccups. It's extremely rare but can signal a deeper health issue like nerve damage or even an infection. Definitely a see a doctor moment. Scene shifts back to the narrator in bright lighting holding a teacup. Narrator. So, whether it's evolution playing tricks on us or just fluffy soda bubbles wreaking havoc, hiccups are another incredible reminder of how weird, wonderful, and downright hilarious our bodies are. Closing scene. Screen fills with text reading "Why Facts" in bold as cheerful music plays, and viewers are invited to like, comment, and subscribe. Narrator, enthusiastically. Don't forget to hiccup your way into that subscribe button. And hey, have you tried a wild hiccup cure? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep asking why.